Hello, everyone. I am so excited that it is celebration time with Stampin' Up. We have some great incentives right now for ordering. We also have something pretty special going on when you join Stampin' Up right now. So our starter kit is always $99 plus tax, and you get to choose up to $125 worth of product. So any product that you would like from the annual catalog or even the January to June mini catalog, you choose up to $125, whatever you want. You pay $99 plus tax. So that alone is a really great deal. Right now, though, Stampin' Up! Has something even more special to offer you with these designer paper stacks. So for each of our color collections, there is an exclusive stack of designer paper with all 10 of our colors. So you get 4 sheets of each of the 10 colors. These are brights. We've got our subtles, we've got our regals right here, our neutrals, and then of course in colors. Now these are the newest in colors, and because there are 5 of the colors, you actually get 8 of each sheet. So each of these stacks, each of the 5 stacks has 40 sheets of 6x6 designer paper, which means your bonus gift right now from Stampin' Up! Is 200 sheets of designer paper in Stampin' Up! Exclusive colors. So this is a great incentive, almost a $60 value, in addition to picking out the $125 worth of product for only $99. So as you sit and get ready to place your order for celebration, you can take a look at if you want to get one of the items in this catalog for free with your order, or if you want to take that next step and join my Stampin' Up! Team, you're going to get this free gift from Stampin' Up! With the 200 sheets of designer paper. You're going to get a great deal on your starter kit with a lot of added value and free shipping. And then you'll also be able to enjoy the demonstrator discount. So going forward, when you look at your wish list from this new January to June mini catalog, you can get all of those things at a discount. There are lots of demonstrator benefits, and I would love to have you join my Stampin' Up! Family. Please reach out and let me know how I can help, and we'll get you started.